Burning question. Do chickens thrive in the snow? Do they like the snow? What do they do in the snow? They hide under the camper all day. What do they do? They hide under the camper. Yeah. So they don't love the snow. Hi. Hi there, Miss Pebbles. Hi. Anyone else want pets? Oh, more pets here? You want pets? Oh, you want some pets? Any more pets? Oh, here's some pets. Any more pets? No pecks. No pecks, Cece. Pets. I know they sound the same, but they're not the same. So they could be living it up in here all day. That's where their water is, and their food, and their coop over there. Is anyone holed up in the coop? Huh? Hi, Tootie Toots. Oh, the coop dweller. Yeah, look, you guys have been hanging out in here, making little nest piles. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, ladies. Living it up? Yeah, it's really crappy out, huh? You laying under the camper where it's nice and warm? Hey! What's going on here? What was that? No fighting! No fighting! I want some scratch. Let's throw some scratch in there. Woo! It's cold. Ready? Ready? Bah. It's cold. What can you do? Life of the homesteader. Chickens do not mind the snow that much.